Totem is a really fun game that I was introduced from my friend Kat, and you're able to buy this game on Amazon. So you're going to need this game or maybe some type of way to use this game in order to support your students. You can use this game during morning meetings where students will play the game kind of as is, or you can tweak it just a little bit by having your students review characters or people in history. So they're going to review the characters or, again, people in history. You can change the directions. And what they're going to do is they are then going to review the totem cards. And they're going to think about how each of the totem card might symbolize different traits and rules that the character displays in the text. So what this game comes with is these cards. And with these cards, there are different descriptions on here. So, for example, if I look at buffalo, if this maybe is a card that a student gets, you inspire confidence in others. So typically in the game, students get 7 cards, and then they have to decide which card would go with which character. Okay, so again, you might have different characters here. Students have to decide which card best represents that character. So again, that would be the animal cards. And so for a character, I might read or think about that character and think about, okay, what card goes best with that person. There's also quality cards in the deck too, so you could take this column out or you could play with it if you wanted to. And what this does, again, is your students will get around 7 cards. There's a ton of cards in the deck. And maybe their word maybe is focused or extroverted or cultured, and they have to decide which word, what inspires that character the most. Okay, so again, then they're going to look at what kind of motivates, what inspires that person the most, what word sticks out to them. Once they have these 2 columns down, then they're going to go on and they're going to provide that textual evidence. They're going to look for 2 examples from the text that would support their choice. And they're going to write those examples in our chart right here, and using quotes, summaries, examples from the text or from their research about why that person or why that thing goes along with that evidence.